Are you searching for the best mini table saw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mini table saws in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. 150W 2-in-1 Table Saw Belt Sander Kit. This mini electric bench saw and belt sander with premium quality and superior performance is suitable for sawing and polishing wood, stone, plastic, metal, and more kinds of material. With powerful motor, rich accessories, and 7 variable speed, it's very flexible and multifunctional to use. Features: 2-in-1 function of bench saw and belt sander. Type 1 is equipped with a circular saw blade and 10 sanding belts. Type 2 is equipped with luxury accessories for sawing, cutting, sanding, grinding, carving, and drilling. Multifunction circular saw blade is applicable to wood, plastic, soft stone, and soft metal. The maximum cutting depth is 30 mm. Sanding belt is suitable for polishing knife, wood, stone, metal, and more. Adopts metal body with high durability and 300W powerful motor with superior performance. Features 4500 RPM high no load speed and rapid heat dissipation. 7-gear variable speed to satisfy different work needs. Designed with main switch in the machine for safe use. It's of compact size and lightweight, convenient to use and carry, made of selected material with reliable quality. This mini bench saw and belt sander is suitable for metal processing, woodworking, DIY craft, sharpening kitchen knives and more.